Hello everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to hide or unhide secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. Scroll down and click on security and privacy. After click on security and privacy, scroll down and click on more security settings. After click on more security settings, click on secure folder. Enter your secure folder lock, you will see. And you will see here showing you option add secure folder to app screen. So you will see if you want to hide secure folder, so turn off add secure folder to app screen button. After turn off this button, you will see secure folder is hide. If you want to unhide secure folder, so turn on add secure folder to app screen button. After turn on add secure folder to app screen button, you will see secure folder is unhide. So you will hide or unhide secure folder from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can hide or unhide secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.